Consider the mechanics of the pinhole camera. We got the column here. Light passes through a small hole, resulting in a focused projected image. A ray diagram reveals subject and verb. How this works. It's because the whole small size restricts the light. Size restricts the light to a single ray. All light passing through the hole can. So the light can only arrive subject and verb at a single destination, eliminating the participial phrase that described the previous clause. Well, we got subject and verb, another subject and verb. So we clearly gotta have a boundary issue here. So choice A clearly wrong. You can't just put everything together without any boundary like separation. So choice B, okay, we'll hold on to that. Choice C, another comma splice issue. Okay, you cannot connect just a comma for you can use the comma to connect the two independent clauses. Not only that, we have another clause after that. So choice D can be eliminated because, just I have just mentioned, if you say it's because, okay, so it solves the issue about this diagram reveals how this works. Colon, very tempting, but then the problem arises with another, what's that called, a comma splice. You have a comma splice because when you say it's because, now that's, you have a independent clause, dependent clause, and then another independent clause, and you don't, you got the comma splice issue right here. So one thing that removes all that issue is choice B, and that's because you say a ray diagram reveals how this works. Finish the clause, and you're gonna start with a new one, but this time, this because is a subordinating conjunction that allows you to make a dependent clause. So because the whole small size restricts, that makes the whole thing I'm gonna highlight as a dependent clause. And where is the independent clause then? Light can arrive. All light passing through the hole can only arrive at a single destination. So dependent clause followed by independent clause with a comma in between makes mechanically correct and also make the coherent structure.